guys, today we're gonna be doing TT. Does life as a slime scammer? Um, I have tons of slime. This crazy piece of slime right here. This piece of slime, and some more slime. So you'll be seeing that when I do life as a slime. Let's get started. Okay, I going to have to check my mail. Put this one away. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? What's over here? Thank you. I need my phone. I need my phone. Like, you know what? I'll take my tablet. It's more better. Why? Because I keep putting slime on my freaking computer. Okay, let's see what we got on my slime shop. So, yeah. Okay, this girl wants a lot of things. Even though I'm doing life as a slime scammer, I can just give her extras. And she'll pay me $1,000. She better. Let's see how much she's paying me. OMG. She must be a millionaire. Because she's giving me $1 million. So basically, I'm going to do this. Let's get it. Okay. So, she said she wanted my favorite slime, but I don't know where it is. Let's see. No. This. Oh, she wants my heart Christmas slime. Okay, this slime is a heart Christmas slime. So let's see if it's good. This slime is kind of good, but it's not as bad. It's kind of like how she wanted it, but it's kind of like different because it's not really Christmas tree because it has no green glitter. Because it doesn't glitter, and it's not red a little bit. It's like a red a little bit actually. It's not really pink. But the whites make it pinker. And this is really stretchy, and this is my favorite. Look at this cloudy slime. Look at that. I can't, no. But it is kind of tough and really sticky. So that's why I'm literally going really fast with that. So I think I'm going to not give it to her. This is my favorite slime. I'm not going to be doing that. Nope. What about this one? It has pink and hot pink. It's kind of... Oh. It has like a lot of slimes in here. This is like this slime. This slime is kind of good. Even though I have another version but it's better. And this one's really hard and sticky. And it's kind of green and it has like color. How about I just add some of this orange slime and make it better. Yep, it made it better. Actually, I think it made it worse. My phone! Okay. This is actually really tough. You can barely stretch it. And it's like really sticky, but it's not really stretchy. So, yeah. She's gonna love the slime. And it leaves a really nasty residue. So let me go wash my hands. Okay, I washed my hands. So the next slime she wanted was She wants the green Christmas tree slime. I have actually a lot of green slimes, so let me pull all of them out. One is really big. Let's see its texture. Oh my gosh, it's sticking everywhere. Stop sticking. Here. There. So it's like it doesn't really have a lid because how big it is, humongous. Like literally, this is a really good slime, but this is not the only green slime I have. I do have this blue one. I do have this like bluish tealish kind of color, but that's blue. And here's another green slime. It's a seaweed slime I made, but I don't know if she wants seaweed. And this is the Christmas tree slime because it has tons of glitter and it's super fluffy like a Christmas tree. And look how stretchy that is. I think I can't give this to her. Look. You know why I can't give this to her? It's because how stretchy it is. Only customers like really bad slimes. Like, who would want any other slime without its really bad texture? So I will keep this slime. So let's see about the other one. So let me put this one away. I'm gonna put this actually right here next to me so I can like really watch it because I'm scared. So I have this other slime. I have this other slime. It has its glitter at the top, you can see, because of like all the glitter at the top. You can see from the bottom. And I'm gonna take all this glitter out so it can just be all this green. It does have glitter like a Christmas tree, so she didn't say how about the texture it would be. It's hard, rough, rippish. Yeah. Oh, that stings so much. Like, feel. Look at this. She will love this slime. Just because of my nose, I'm just gonna spray its area. Please, thank you. So. Oh, it still stinks. Put it this way. She's probably gonna love this slime. So, yeah. So these are her slimes she's gonna get. Next slime she wanted was she wants my fluffy cream. Wait, how you say it? Fluffy cream stormy blueberry slime. And I have that. Oh no, this other slime is like cosmetic. Okay, let me take a look at this. These lads. So this is actually a different slime. It's like a bluish slime. So I have that, and this is like my last one, and it's super good and stretchy. She would love this because she's giving me $300 for this one. $300. This one she's giving me $200. And what was the other one? This one she's getting $500. So we're gonna get this business started. So this is more than like any other slime. This slime is really good. You can see by yourself like how good this is. Like you would want it. But she's not getting this slime. I'm keeping this slime to myself. Let's see. It's not really stretchy for her because she deserves really hard slimes because she's giving me $1 million. So, you're giving me all this money. Look at that. Super stretchy. Boom. Look at that. So I actually think I'm gonna keep this to myself. So I'm sorry, darling, you're not getting that slime. Maybe I have other slimes over there. I'll be right back to get my other slimes. This is my bar slime, and it's not really good. Look how like weird texture. It barely even stretches. Has a whole different another color right here, and it's like pullable. Like you can pull literally this part of the slime off. Boom. All the slime off, you can pull it. See, that's literally all the slime you can pull off. And like, see? You can literally pull all the stuff, green stuff off. See? How like, see? That's all of the slime off. So, see? This is my bar slime, but I tried to put some water in it, and they dismiss. And this is my garbage slime, so I didn't want to throw it away, so I can just put it together. So, yeah. Look how, like, rippable. She's gonna take the slime for real, because this is her slime. And this is actually cherry soda, but she'll take that slime. The next, and this is $600,000. So she better like that one. The next slime is she wanted like an ocean slime. I do have a ocean slime. It's a really jiggly ocean slime. It's like rubbish, rubbery. Yeah, it's really like you can barely stretch it. So let me go get some ocean shells. So I have some ocean shells. It's pretty broken, so I hope she likes it. And this and this is pretty good. So these are the shells, and I can just put it in there and just mix them, cause she doesn't deserve really good slime. I can see all the ocean now. And I can actually just put some green slime. She's really lucky that I'm putting some green slime in here. I can just put some green slime on there. So I can just go like this. That. She's really lucky. I'm giving her green slime anyway. You know what? I'm not giving her that green slime. This is my green slime. I'm going to give her green slime that she's giving me $300 money. So it's seaweed slime, so she better be grateful. This is gonna be perfect. Land. So she gonna like that, and anyway, it's not really bad. So. Oh, this slime is super good. Now, let's put this over here. And this is $5,000, so she better give me a lot for that one. The next one she wanted was a like pirate slime. That was my mom, sorry. Yeah, so I have my gold slime, so I'm gonna give it to her. So here's my pirate slime. It's really hard. Like, it has pirate booty coins in them. And it is kind of piratey color, so yeah. And it's really rippy, see? And the coins just fall out. So this is a perfect slime that she can take. And since it has balloons in them, I'm adding the price on this one. I'm going to give her a really bad price that she's going to have to pay a lot for. So that is going to be $100,000 million. Yeah. So I'm going to say $500,000. That's what I'm going to do. So the next slime she wanted was Hawaiian slime, but this is actually a really good Hawaiian cloud slime. It's really hard and it breaks. Even though this is supposed to be a cloud slime, see? It's supposed to be a cloud slime. Breaks. It's just not squishable. It's really hard. Okay. And it has residue. So, I think that's... So, she's actually wanted a grape slime. I have a grape slime. So, yeah. Look at this. Oh, look at that. It's super rippish. Like, rippy. So, I'm giving her $1,000 for this one. So, yeah. Where's my other container? There it is. So, I'm gonna have to fix this slime and then put her stuff in the bag. Yeah. So, she's gonna get a really bad price for bad slimes and bad extras. So, she better watch out and never buy from my slime store again. So, yeah. Where's my other plate? My other plate. I'm gonna have to put all the rest of this off. It's like not being able to fit all. Okay. So. Okay. So. Yep. She's having advertising on these slimes. And then, so that's all the slimes. So let's pack them up. Okay, so I just packed them up, and now they should be shipping. So let's see what they get. Oh my gosh, I can't wait until I get my slimes. Oh, that should be it. Oh, those slimes were really happy. I hope I get a lot. Wait, I forgot to bring the extras. Organics cube, vanilla, and a fidget spinner. How about that? She better get this. I now got all my slimes, and yeah, so I can't wait to open them. So first we got the extras or something, and this is like a LOL ball. No, I don't like it. A Rubik's cube. Really think I'm getting small, and it's even not even done. Like, who does that? And the fidget spinner that's broken. You gotta be kidding me. Let's just get to the slimes. I do care about the extras. Is this another extra? I think it's another extra. Oh my god. Super sticky. Oh, I forgot. This is my sister's slime. Sorry, sis. Just don't look like I opened it. Actually, I might keep this for myself. I activate it. So first, what I bought was the grape slime. And it comes in this cute little container. It says grape. And it feels really rubbery. And it breaks. It's probably come from shipping because, like, yeah, I think it's from shipping because she lives in Arizona and I live in New Jersey, so, yeah. So, probably the other slime is better, you know, because, like, mixed and stuff. The next one I bought was a pirate slime, and it's super slimy. I'm gonna put all these doubloons in here. That's probably from extras and stuff, so like it could be like a pirate slime, but it actually looks like applesauce without them. And it's super breakable, like it's super breakable. It's not really, I thought it was a slimy, but it's like not even. The next one better be good, because I paid like a $500 for this, or $600, and I better not get a ripoff. And she said no refunds. I'm getting a refund. How about we go to our seaweed slime? Well, this was supposed to be. It's actually supposed to be my Christmas tree slime. It does look like a Christmas tree, but it says seaweed. And it... that smells like somebody just barfed on my face. Let me just get some spray. Yeah, but it's super rippable, like really rippable. I can rip it. Look how rippable it is. Barely stretch, barely squeeze, barely put back together. I can barely poke it. I can barely make a bubble. Hold up. I can barely make a bubble. My other slimes better be good, and I'm not getting a rip-off on this. I'm getting a refund after this. That was like, whatever. This is ocean slime. What is that? I know I ordered an ocean slime, but I didn't know snot was gonna be on there. I see the shoes. It's gonna be stretchy. The top is like kind of rippable, like this one was. She probably put it on the top. And look at the seashells. Like, look how pretty they are. Hold up. I'm going to have to give you a close-up of the seashells. Ah! I just want to show you guys how pretty that is. Yep. Focus, 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 focus. Yep. That's how pretty it is. How this green stuff doesn't make my really slime bad. Oh my god, it's so jellyish. Oh, it's kind of fun squishing it. But it's not slime. It's jelly stuff. Look at that. Look at this. It looks like jelly. Ugh. Ugh. And all the seashells fell out. I better get a refund. I'm hoping I can get a refund. Like, look at this. No. Oh, I better look good. Okay, this is my This is probably my, what? No way. This is my volcano slime? She probably didn't see volcano. This is probably an extra. Wait a second. Is that volcano slime on here? Like, does that look like a volcano to you? Volcano slime's not supposed to be like this. Only the green part is like a little stretchy, but the brown part is like jelly, like the other one. This is a ripoff. I only went to the look. This is my cotton Christmas slime. Green Christmas slime. It's kind of green, but it's supposed to be pink and green, and it's in pinkish. And this isn't even green. This opwa. Whatever. Let's stretch. No. My God, it's not even stretchy. Oh. No, it's stretchy. It's stretchy. This is a ripoff. Well, the inside is kind of like stretchy. Rip off! I paid $1 million for this. This was probably. Wait a second. She changed the price on one of them. It's okay, but I'm gonna have a refund. This must be my Hawaiian slime. It better be good. Oh, I feel it's good. I think this might be a good slime. Hallelujah. It's super hard, probably because of all the beads. This is a pretty Hawaiian slime. Okay, let's stretch. Lying. It's lying. This is not what it is. This better not be what it is. No. It's rippable. It's rippable. Look, it stretches. It stretches. Look, it stretches. I was just trying to be popular. Let's see with other slimes for extras I got. I hope I got some good extra slimes. I'll just look at my sister's. She wouldn't mind. But it's not. See, my sister is like a really good person. And like, literally, she gets good slimes. But I get horrible slimes. Oh, but look how stretchy it is and slappable. It's so perfect. It's so perfect. Why can't I get this slime? Where did she get this from? I want to know. Sister, where did you get this slime from? Why are you touching my slime? Let's see. Where did you get this slime from? Oh, I got it from the slime shop you just bought. No, you didn't. Because my slimes I just got were horrible. They weren't even stretchy. Like, look at that. Look how pretty and slimy it is. Like, look at that. 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 It's super stretchy. Like, I can't. I'm so sad right now. Let me see what other slimes you got. Okay. It's sticky. How small I know. It's super sticky. No. No. This is a really good slime my sister gets. Like, why can't I get really good slimes? Like, why? I just wish I could get good slimes. I just want to be like my friends. They're popular and they get a lot of slime. And then they're like popular. And I just want to be popular and I want to be myself popular. Like, why can't I just do that? This slime's gonna be worse. That's really gonna be worse. Jesus help me. There we go. Let's see what other slimes my sister got. She did get this. Wait a second! This is the Christmas tree slime I wanted. She didn't run out. She has like tons of left. Tons of them left. And I bought one of them and I got nothing. Probably because I did a bad review on her. Saying that I got a rip off. That's not my fault. You got a rip off. Everybody got a rip off. Like, look, this slime is super good. Super good. Like, super good. It's like really good. I just don't get it. Like, super good. I just can't. I really can't right now. I'm really sad. And I'm really terrified now. Because I'm gonna go to school. I'm gonna get bullied. Like, how pokey it is. How good it is. Really good it is. Let's see what other slime she got. Oh my god. It has bubbles. I get to pop the bubbles. Yeah, bubbles and bubbles. No. I'm gonna pop the bubbles.
Fine, sister. You're gonna pop the stupid bubbles. Pop them. Pop them. You should have popped them already.
Hi guys, I'm gonna pop them now.
See, look at that.
It matches my nails because I got my nails done. No, you said you got to squish the bubbles. No, I'm gonna do it. Hey, is that the slime that I wanted to get, the heart slime, the heart Christmas slime? Yep, it is. Ooh. Oh. This slime is so good. Maybe some more. Now where is that? Let's see what other slimes I got. Oh, this one is fluffy. blueberry, storm slime, cloud storm slime, fluff. Wait, hold up, wait a minute. That looks like a spider. Okay, now let's take it out. Look how stretchy it is. It's the right texture, like I asked. And I gave her $1 billion on this one. Actually, I gave her $20. That was really easy. Probably because I'm her friend and she knows I'm gonna be her off if she don't get me signed. But I didn't know my sister was gonna be mad. Mad. Oh. Okay, this is super stretchy. And look how fluffy and stretchy it is. Put that away. Hi guys, so I hope you loved this video, and I hope you give me a like, subscribe, and comment down below what is your favorite slime, and from a slime shop maybe, or anything. And I hope you hit that notification bell so you know what notification I get when I post every time. So yeah. And I was inspired by this video to do by Bulldog Heart Love, I think. Yes, so I hope you go follow her, put the notification bell on, and I want you to like her videos. So I'll see you later. Bye, TT fans.